So in this question we have a go-kart drivers championship in which we have 9 races which are named down here, and we're told that the winner gets 10 points, second place will get 8 points, third place is 5 points, and anyone else who finishes the race gets 1 point. And we're given 5 people who've done the race here. We're given their amount that they got on each race and what place they came in. So we want to know which was the earliest race after which one of the leaders knew that he could not win the championship. So before we start, let's just have a think about when are we going to know whether someone can't win the championship? Well, in the most extreme scenario, someone could win every single race after a certain race. So we need to find the race after which someone is more than 10 times the number of races left behind. For example, say we've just done the Billard round. If then in these 4 rounds Damon won every single race, then we need to know whether that would mean that he would still be in a chance with winning, even if he's behind there. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is consider the earliest round, so Billard. So after Billard we have 4 races left, so we need a driver to be more than 4 times 10, which is 40 points behind, because then even if they win every single other race, they can't win. Now, if we look at Billard, we notice that none of these are more than 40 points behind because none of them are even at 40 yet, and they can't be negative, so we can rule out Billard. Okay, let's consider the next one. So after men's, we need a driver to be 30 points behind because we have 3 races left. And again, we can see that at men's, none of them are 30 points behind because the most behind is 47 and 24, which is still not 30 points behind. So we can rule out men's. Now let's have a look at Fondre. Well, after Fondre, they've only got 2 races left, so the maximum they can get is 20 points. So we need someone more than 20 points behind. And we can notice that we do have that scenario because Damon has 48 points and David has 25. So even if David wins both of these last races, the maximum he can get is 45 because he could get 10 points in each. And that still won't be up to what Damon has, even if Damon doesn't even participate in the last 2 races. And so we find that the answer is C, Fondre.